Now we are going to discuss another question, finding missing frequencies. We have to find out missing frequencies over here. In this question, the median of given data is 35 and total sum of frequencies is 170. What we have to do? We have to find out the missing frequencies F1 and F2. Here the question is given, class interval 0 to 10 whose frequency is 10, 10 to 20 whose frequency is 20, 20 to 30 whose frequency is not given, which is taken as F1. Then 30 to 40 whose frequency is 40, and the class interval 40 to 50 has another unknown frequency, that is F2. Now it is 50 to 60 whose frequency is 25 and 60 to 70 whose frequency is 15. Now we have to find out these unknown frequencies F1 and F2. Now since we know that the total sum of frequency is 170, so we will add all the frequencies and then we get the value of F1 and F2. When we will solve it, we get F1 plus F2 is equal to 170 minus 110. It means that which is equal to 60. What do we get then? Relation of F2 and F1, that F2 can be expressed as 60 minus F1. Now it is the relation of F1 and F2. Now we will see, it is given that median is 35. Therefore, median class will be equal to 30 to 40 group. It means that when median class is known to us, the lower limit of the median class will be treated as L, which is equal to 30. Since the median class is 30 to 40, due to the median is 35, median is always lying in between the upper limit and lower limit of the median class. So since median is 35 given over here in the question, so the median class is 30 to 40. Here lower limit L is 30, n by 2 is equal to 170 by 2, that is equal to 85. Now class size H is equal to 10. Frequency of the median class is 40 over here, since 30 to 40 was median class and its frequency is 40. So F is 40 over here. Now we have obtained that CF is equal to what? We will add all the cumulative frequency before the median class. When we will add all the frequencies before the median class, we get 10 plus 20 plus F1, which is equal to 30 plus F1. Now CF is known to us, which is 30 plus F1. Now median is equal to L plus n by 2 minus CF by F into H. It is our formula to find out median. That median is equal to L plus n by 2 minus CF by F into H. Now we will substitute all the values which we have obtained. The value of L has been substituted with 30. The value of n by 2 has been substituted with 85. The value of CF is substituted with 30 plus F1. The value of F is substituted with 40. And the value of H is substituted with 10. Now by substituting these values, we will do the simplification, and by the simplification we take this 30 in LHS. Since median was 35 given to us, so this 30 has been taken in LHS and RHS has been simplified, which will give us 55 minus F1, and this 4 will be taken in LHS. It becomes 5 into 4. When 35 minus 30 will give us 5, and the cross multiplication of denominator of RHS when multiplied with LHS, the value of LHS, that is 5, it becomes 5 into 4. And in RHS, when this 30 plus F1 bracket has been broken, then the sign of minus before that bracket has converted all the numbers, that is 30 and F1, with opposite sign. Since inside the bracket both 30 and F1 was in positive form, when we have taken it out from the bracket, both have been converted into negative sign. So it has become 85 minus 30 minus F1. On simplification, it will give us 55 minus F1. Now, by calculating the value of, by taking this F1, we will take this F1 in LHS. When we will take this F1 in LHS, we see that this minus F1 will be converted into plus F1, and it's 5 into 4. When taken in RHS, it will be converted into minus 20. 55 minus 20 will give us 35. Now the value of F1, which is equal to 35, will be substituted in the equation number 1, which we have obtained earlier. By obtaining F1 is equal to 35 and substituting it with F2, we can get the value over here. F2 is equal to 60 minus F1, that is 60 minus 35, which is equal to 25. When we will subtract the value of 60 and F1, the F1 which we have obtained earlier 35 will give us the value 25.